shares are sinking today, looking at a loss of nearly 50% right now. Its worst drop ever. Now, this comes on plans to raise $1 billion. The stock was halted earlier, trading for volatility. Bloomberg reporting that Hudson Bay Capital is the anchor investor of this share sale. Today's drop, of course, following yesterday's massive rally. We're looking at gains of more than 90% in the stock yesterday. But this last-ditch attempt here to avoid a complete collapse might not be enough. Wedbush analyst Seth Basham, he was out with a note today calling the equity financing a, quote, last gasp before filing for bankruptcy protection. Now, Basham cut his price target on the stock to 0. Writing in a note, quote, the additional capital provides the company with just a few more quarters of room. You're looking at losses here of just about 50% this afternoon. Allie, this goes back to what we've all talked about time and time again, just in terms of the path forward for Bed Bath & Beyond. Chapter 11 seems inevitable at this point. Yes, this might help the company avoid it for a quarter or two, but just in terms of a turnaround strategy, all of their options seem to be out the window at this point.
I totally agree. This is a company where the hits just keep on coming. It announced closures of 150 stores on top of additional closures of 87 stores last week. The brick and mortar picture just looked very bleak. It seems like Bed Bath & Beyond, they can't compete with the big guys, your Walmarts, your Targets. And then on top of that, they've really struggled to adapt to the online marketplace as well, on top of pandemic headwinds. And I know we have a lot of BBBY fans, or maybe former fans in the newsroom that
I'm a fan.
I'm a huge fan.
I love Bed
I've heard
Bath,
that the quality has diminished over time.
It's very fair to say.
The inventory's been a nightmare.
Right. And if you don't have the inventory, how the heck are you going to compete? I can go on Amazon and get anything I want for my
now's
apartment.
the time, man. Everything is on sale now. I mean, you don't even need your 20%
That is a good
coupon.
point.
It's great for the consumer,
Everything
not
is
for the
on sale.
investor.
Exactly. So
Not good for you investors.
so to me, it just seems inevitable that bankruptcy is going to be in the picture.